Lori, the person who will guide you on your journey to mastering Chinese through this YouTube channel. I will try to simplify the process of learning Chinese through daily communication and social situations in a close and practical way.
I hope you will love and feel interested in this series. If you find this series useful, please leave a like and subscribe to support me. If you have any contributions, questions, or topics you want to discuss, please leave a comment below. Thank you very much for your support.
Lesson 1. Basic greetings in Chinese. First conversation. Two peers greet each other.
你好，
你好，
Second conversation. Younger person greet older one.
你好，
你好，
Third conversation. Student greets teacher.
老师好，
你好，
The fourth conversation. Employee greets boss.
老板，你好，
你好，
The fifth conversation. A staff member greets a customer.
你好，欢迎光临。
你好，
The sixth conversation. Two friends greet and ask about each other's health.
你好，
你好，
你好吗？
我很好，你呢？
我也很好。
再见，
再见。
Today's vocabulary.
你
Means you.
好，
Means good. Okay or fine.
你好，
Means hello.
您
Means you but is a respectful way of addressing older people.
你好，
Means hello to an older person.
老师，
Means teacher.
老师好，
Means hello teacher.
老板，
Means boss or business proprietor.
你好吗？
Means are you okay?
我
Means I.
很
Means very or quite.
我很好。
Means I am very good.
你呢？
Means how about you?
也
Means also or too.
再见。
Means goodbye or bye. So that's it. That's what we learned today. Pretty easy, right? Thank you for spending these 3 minutes learning Chinese with me today. I hope you found today's lesson helpful and fun. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it so more people can join us in learning Chinese. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you won't miss any upcoming lessons. That's all for today. See you in the next 3-minute Chinese lesson. 再见.